Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file so nothing interrupts the autoplay. Make and save a backup. Once done, open the presentation and enable editing. Next, switch to the slideshow ribbon and reveal the notes pane so you can add timings or narration. You need consistent slide sizes and embedded media that are set to play automatically. Make sure videos are inserted rather than linked. Finally, set the default slide transition to none briefly so you can apply custom timings without accidental jumps. Now you focus on precise timings and media behavior. Use slideshow rehearse timings to record how long each slide stays visible, or record narration to capture spoken pacing. Save timings when prompted. For embedded media, select each video or audio clip and set start to automatically, and uncheck play across slides unless intended. Then apply transitions with specific durations and click Apply to All when consistent timing is desired, because inconsistent transitions break the autoplay flow. Finish by configuring the slideshow and running a full test. Go to Slideshow, set up Slideshow, and pick Browsed at a kiosk for unattended looping or Browsed by an individual for single-run autoplay. Make sure Loop Continuously is set if needed. Run the presentation start to finish to confirm timings and media playback. If you need a standalone file, export to MP4 via File Export. If it fails, check broken links, codec compatibility, and PowerPoint security settings as your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.